Today we received the screen. Received the screen right there, lying there. They're pretty white, pretty good actually. Pretty. I think the quality is better than the previous one. So we're gonna sew into a full circle duct using this material, and also we're gonna hang above the top surface of the inner cover, because you see that's the area that the bottom of the net touching the top, so causing some water gathering, because the water won't fall through because it's plastic film underneath. So we need to separate, leave a gap between the bottom of the screen duct and the top of the inner cover. So yeah, we'll make sure when we do it. So when we do the folding, the rope edges on the two here and here, to make sure when the net is hanging through the two edges, the bottom won't touch the top of the inner cover. So anyway, so right now we still have that problem, so we use this type of rod. This type of rod can extend. This is simply a rod they use to catch fish, so actually it comes with a ring and and a net to catch fish. Anyway, we use it differently. We use it to extend it and to hold the top, so just that thing can get into the groove, and just simply hold it there. That's pretty good for now, So but once we hang the full circle screen duct above the top cover, top inner covers, and then we won't need it, right? Hopefully. But if we need it, we can still use it. But that area is it's okay because nobody will touch it. It's not in the way, so this is good. Anyway, it's still hot, so we have to use bubbles to cool down while Xiaofeng is fixing the this booster pump. We have a better solution than closing the top with plastic sheet. That is we're gonna add one more T, and then we actually glue what you see, the PVC elbow around it, and big pipes. What we were trying to do is use that pipe over here. I'm gonna use another, extend it, and then drill a hole into the gutter, and then simply release the pressure into the cavity instead of here. So this way the bubbles won't be here, but will be end up in the cavity. So even when we do the run the pump and do the liquid cooling, we can still produce some foam, but the foam end up in the cavity, so that's not a problem. So some bubbles here and some bubbles over there, the same thing. We're going to do the same. So the pipe you see is the pipe we use to release the pressure, and then we add the water feeding line to a region on top of it. So this way it's better because we have a pressure release pipe path, and we also have the water feeding line. So that's then that solved the problem once for all, because for sure if the bubbles end up in the cavity, that's no problem, right? But if the bubbles end up here, that's a major issue, because that will cause the fish to die. So anyway, that's what we plan to do, and we order the parts. The parts will arrive tomorrow. This time we use the local store to get the parts, so it's faster. Yeah. Anyway, this is it. Tomorrow gonna do this, and there's other thing we can do to paint this, seal the bottom and paint this, and also the screen duct we're gonna install, but we have to wait for the scaffolding we ordered, because without the scaffolding we couldn't do anything. So anyway, this is it. The sun has set. We need to leave.